Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can see all your passwords of the accounts you have ever accessed on Google Chrome. This helps in reminding yourself all the accounts and passwords you have ever accessed on your Google Chrome. It's simple, simply start by opening Google Chrome. Then after opening it, simply start by opening Settings. Then now as you can see we have so many Google settings. Here you can customize your Google settings however you want, so let's check our accounts. Passwords, simply click on this Passwords button. On this arrow. And as you can see here is all the passwords and their accounts passwords. And as you can see there's so many. So you will no longer have the issues of missing your useful password as long as you want. And if you want to see an account's passwords, simply click on this eye symbol. Then set in your computer's password. Then as you can see here is your account's password, so from now as you can see from now all your problems has been solved. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.